today I am showing you how I make these cute little planters. Now the planters I either got from Lowe's, Home Depot. These two I got from, where did I get it from? From Target. They had artificial dump canes in it, so I just took those out and I'm using them as like a little catch pot. And this one I believe is from either Home Depot or Lowe's. It was a bonsai in it, but we repotted the bonsai, so I kept the planter. So I think this was a cute way to upcycle these and just make them look a little more interesting. And it kind of matches my living room because my living room has a bunch of wood and wood tones in it. So I really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. For this project, you're gonna pick some pots of your choosing. I have 2 plastic pots and 1 glass pot. And you're also gonna need some nautical rope. I got mine from the Dollar Tree for $1. I got 8 rows because I plan on doing some of my bigger planters as well. So to start this process, you're just gonna go ahead and put down a layer of glue for your first wrap around. Your first row of nautical rope you want glued down. That keeps it secure. First row glued down, all you have to do is wrap the nautical rope around your planter as high or low as you want it, and once you get to the end of where you want your nautical rope to stop, make sure you glue that final row so it all stays secure. Super easy project. Same exact thing for your next planter. Glue the first row, wrap it around, and glue the last row. And on this planter, I think I'm gonna go about more than half, maybe 3/4 of a way up, and then I'm gonna stop and leave some of the white pot exposed. I like the look of the two-tone of the white plastic and then the brown nautical rope. I think it looks really cool. It's a really cool contrast. rope where you cut it and it starts to unravel, just make sure you put a little hot glue in between the strands so they all stick down. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you decide to recreate this, please hashtag @naturallyyours on Instagram. Bye!